Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell. Today I got my Galaxy Fit2 that I got free with my S20 FE, and I want to go and check this thing out as I'm upgrading from my Galaxy Fit, the original one. I also got the Gear Fit2. I won't be doing any comparisons today, but I will in the near future, hopefully. But for right now, let's go and get this thing out the box and let's go and get it set up. So, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we're back here at the legendary unboxing table as usual. But yeah, so actually I've been wanting a Galaxy Fit2 for a little bit now because I heard there's a couple of improvements on here. And you can actually see right here there's a new home button on the Galaxy Fit2 and there's no more buttons on the side of the watch like there is on the original Galaxy Fit. But let's go and get this thing unboxed. So on the left side we got Samsung Galaxy Fit2 and on the front we just have Fit2 and its colorful design as usual. We got the actual Galaxy Fit2 with this Scarlet band here as you can see. So the thing with this Galaxy Fit2 is that this thing is in Scarlet and that's the only color that they have with the order here. But you can actually replace this band and you can get a white one, so there you go. You have a white Galaxy Fit2, like there's no more red accents here. But on here you got Samsung on the right side and on the back you just got some info here. But really there's nothing too special here, so let's go and get this out the box. Let's see what Samsung's actually offering us this year, and here is our Galaxy Fit2. So putting it right next to my original Galaxy Fit, they look about the same size, but I can see the screen's a little bit bigger on the Galaxy Fit2. And the band's a little bit different, so it goes all around the watch, and on here on the original Galaxy Fit, it just snaps on the sides as you can see. But besides that, let's look in the rest of the box. So we should have like a charger in here, and well, that's pretty much it. So checking inside this box right here, as you can see, we do have a USB-A to whatever that's supposed to be. So that's one big disappointment with the Galaxy Fit2 is that we don't have wireless charging anymore like we do with the original Galaxy Fit. So before, the Galaxy Fit just had a wireless charger, which you couldn't put it on any other wireless charger, but it had a wireless charger of its own. Now on here you have actual contacts to charge your Galaxy Fit2, which I know is $40 cheaper, but still it sucks. And then you got your user manual and stuff, but you know we do with that, we throw it to the side. And y'all, that's pretty much it. So in order to turn this watch on, you actually have to put it on the charger. So we have to go and do that right now. And you can actually see the contacts here at the top. So you just go and align that and then you just clip it into place like that. So there you go. Now plugging in the Galaxy Fit2 to the portable charger. As you can see, it should turn on. It just vibrated. And there you go. You can see the new boot screen. So it already showed up on my phone here recording on my S10 5G. And as you can see here, that's the setup screen. So it's basically telling us right now to go and set up with our phone. So let's go and do that. I'm gonna grab my S20 FE and let's go ahead and see. It should just show a pop-up here at the bottom to go ahead and set that up. And there you go. So Galaxy Fit2, I'm gonna just hit add now. And we should get a pop-up here soon on our Galaxy Fit2. So as you can see here, it's asking to go ahead and match that code up. So it is matched up. Let's go and click on connect. And now it's just gonna go and set up our phone and go through that whole process. So I'm gonna just go and wait here. And there you go. So we got band paired. So now we get a new screen here saying congrats on your new Galaxy Fit2. So I will go ahead and do that. Why not? Let's go and hit on agree. We're gonna hit on allow, and then we're gonna go to the settings real quick because we have to go ahead and change the location permissions. We're gonna change that to allow all the time. And now let's go back here and let's go ahead and hit skip for now because I don't have any backups, and there you go. So we're all set. And it's really that simple. So with a Galaxy device, at least, you don't have to do anything extra. It just does everything for you, and it does it like seamlessly. So that's nice. Now right out the box, you can actually see that we have a new band software update. So if we go to download and install, we can go and do that real quick. But I am gonna go and get me a new band because honestly, like, what outfit is that gonna go with? Nothing. That's my point. So you do have a few settings here, like you got Samsung Health, you got your health settings, you got your alarm, weather, and even hand wash. So I remember we got that app on our Galaxy Watch, and I did do a video on that. So if you want to go and check that out, links down below or the annotation above. But you can basically go ahead and set up your hand wash reminders because, you know, 2020, 2021. And then you got things like your notifications you can set up. You got your widgets, vibration, display, advanced, quick response, find my band, account and backup, band software update, which I just showed you, tips and user manual, and then you got your about band. And you do have a decent amount of watch faces on here, so if you want to go and scroll through that, go and do that, which I will. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I think I'll do shadow. But y'all, I'm gonna go and get out of here, so hopefully you enjoyed this. I will have more videos on the Galaxy Fit2, so I'll do a comparison between that and the original Galaxy Fit, and even I'll do a comparison with the Gear Fit2, so stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll do all three in one video. So right off the bat, I did hear the UI is a lot smoother on the Galaxy Fit2 from Shane Simons, so let's go and check that out real quick. And oh yeah, as you can see, that is a lot smoother. So just looking here on the original Galaxy Fit, there is a lot more stutter just looking here. And then when we go to the Galaxy Fit2 again, yeah, that's a lot better. But thanks for watching, y'all. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at eSantech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. But Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And like I said, stay tuned for more Galaxy Fit2 videos and obviously just more videos in general. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And